Hi everyone, welcome to a new guide on the zombie shooter kit. Today I'm going to cover how to add your own enemy. We'll be adding this awesome zombie and you have it ready in a couple of minutes. So let's start. So in this case I'm going to be using this awesome zombie model made by Patromis. I already unloaded and added to the kit. So after you import your skeleton mesh, as you can see here, we're going to start by retargeting the animations. This is going to use the automatic retargeter from Unreal. So we need to go to content blueprints, retargeted characters, and here right click and click on retarget characters, retarget animation, sorry. So you can select here the zombie one, which is the master, and then you're going to select your own. In my case is male zombie. This is going to create a retargeter. Make sure this is checked, and we're going to click on export retarget assets. I'm going to move it to the folder I created, which is this one. And this is going to create 3 files. Let's save. Let's start by renaming this file the IK retargeter. We're going to use the convention, which is RTG zombie master 2, and the destination mesh, which is the male zombie. This basically transforms the animations for each one. So let's try an example here. As you can see, the animations are already transformed. So any animations I play from the master mesh, it will be translated to our own enemy. So make sure to copy this name because we're going to use it later, and we'll go back to the blueprints retarget character and generic retarget file. We're going to go here to the IK retargeter map. We're going to add a new option. We're going to copy and paste the name here, and also set the retargeter that we just created. Compile and save. Then we're going to go to main AI zombies blueprints, and we're going to create a child blueprint of AI master. I'm going to call it male zombie. And the next step is going to be to add a new skeletal mesh inside of the mesh. This is going to be our enemy, zombie male. And we need to set the animation mode to blueprint. And here in the animation class, we're going to look for generate retarget. Then we're going to go to component tags here in the detail panel, and we're going to paste the retarget. As you can see here, we already have our mesh. So we're going to do some things. We can scale it, for example, if you see that you want it to be the same height or size of the other enemy. So you can scale it like that. I'm going to leave it to 1. So we're going to go to the master mesh here, and we're going to look for visible. We're going to disable the visibility, and also we're going to search for tick, and here in this option, visibility based and option, we're going to select always tick pause and refresh bones. Okay, we save, compile, go to the editor, and if we drag our zombie here and hit play, the zombie is already working, as you can see here. It will do damage, anything, and it also will use the same animations as our master zombie. So of course you can set it up so you have the stats here on the right, and you also have some animations like the hit reaction, the attack animation, if you want to change them. Let me try with this one, for example. Yeah, as you can see here, he's playing the other animation that we just changed. And that's basically it. If you want to add a new enemy that is not humanoid, that doesn't walk on 2 feet, that will be for another tutorial, because it's a little more complex, because the current kit has only these walking zombies and enemies. But if you're interested in that or any other topic of the kit, just let me know, and see you in the next one.